Hello students, in this video I'll be teaching you how to write a diary. A diary writing is a very personal task. A diary is a kind of a personal document. It is a record of an individual's account of a day in his or her life. It is a great way to keep track of your past and think about your future. So, the format diary entries, since it is a personal and informal document, has no particular format, just a few things that we need to add up, and then the rest is our feeling, our thoughts, and our own words. Because diary is an individual's account of a day of his or her own personal life. Here I have given you guidelines for diary writing. A good diary writing contains the place, the date, the day, and you can also write the time of the writing. For example, you are in Delhi, so the place, is Delhi, and the date. So, why these basic details? Because whenever you want to reread your own diary and go into the past and have a glimpse of past, you can just open the page and you can find out on that particular day at that you were at that place and that particular feeling engrossed your mind. So this is why we add these basic details like place, date, day, and also you can write the time of the writing. Now, on the top left, you write the date, day, and time. See, on the top left, you write down date, day, and time. Second, it doesn't need any formal heading. You don't need to give it a formal heading, but it is optional as well. If you want, you can give a suitable heading to it. The style and tone are generally informal because it is a personal record, so the tone is quite informal. However, it depends on the subject, right? Suppose you are given a grave subject and you are asked to write your own thoughts on that particular subject, so you have to be a little formal sometimes. Sometimes the tone can be philosophical too. You can freely express your viewpoints and feelings. Next, whenever you start writing a diary entry, begin with the entry with a general sentence describing the day or the momentary feelings. Afterwards, discuss the effect of the incident on your feelings and on your future plans. As the diary writing, again, it is a personal document. The diary entry doesn't need any signature. You don't need to. It is not mandatory to sign it. But generally, when we are just signing off, we usually write our nicknames or we put our first name at the end, or you can simply just end it up writing by. Last but not the least, you can evolve your own suitable style depending on the topic of your writing. Now, a few things that you need to keep in mind that whenever you are writing diary, the tenses which are frequently used are simple past, present perfect, and future. And also, the diary writing is always in the first person. First person means you write it using I, or you can also use we. These are the first person pronouns. Now here I have given you a sample diary writings. You can see address number 1, to whom you address this. Now you just need to write that. Simply we write diary for our on sake, for getting rid of those feelings which we don't want to just keep into our brain. So we address to our diary directly. So you can simply write dear diary. You can also give any name to your diary, that depends on you personally. Now, the date, time, and place. They should be written on the top left side. Okay. Now, writing should be in the first person, that I have told you. Also, while writing a diary, you need to be quite honest in your opinion. You also divide your ideas or divide your views in different paragraphs. You don't just simply need to write everything into the first paragraph, into just one paragraph. You can divide your paragraph. Now the writing should be, it's not mandatory to write in the formal language. You can use some emoji or you can use some doodles to convey your feelings. While ending the diary, you end it with your expectation or your future hopes or plans. And while signing off, just simply you can write it in a casual style. You can use just slang and sign off. Now, when it comes to writing in an exam, we need to follow a particular format. Again, date first of all. Then the format of date is, just always remember, you can write down, see it's written 7th June 2010. Okay, so this is the format you follow, or you can just write 7th June or Monday 7th June 2020. So this is how you need to write. Please take care of your date format. It is really important. Now opening, you can just simply address your diary writing, dear diary. Okay, introduction could be a general comment on how the day was, or you can just simply start, it was a great day, or my mood is quite upset, or I really committed a blunder today. So this is how you can begin it. The body, the main part of the diary entry, you could describe what happened to you or your personal feeling about something or someone. You can also write about your future plans in this part. Now conclusion, the diary entry can be concluded with a comment about the day, or it can be ended on your future plans. Okay, and like, you can just write down, it was overall an exciting day, or I'm simply thinking that I will never commit such kind of errors ever in my future. And then signing off, writing love or just bye, or writing your nickname or just your first name. You don't need to write down your surname, just your first name is sufficient. Now, for example, you are asked to write the record of a day you spend in school. So here I have given you a sample writing that will help you to write your own diary. So go through this, students, and this is all about diary writing. Thank you.